Hello, welcome to the Doyle channel. We go for we're gonna do a mail call. Yeah, not getting many mail packages, envelopes. UPS man fell on me, or United States Post Office. Hey, run that intro for mail call. Yep. CEO, that's hello in Cherokee. Welcome to the Doyle channel. We do a mail call. Mail call. Well, I got some sad news for you. Whoever mailed this envelope, they took a bite out of it. Had a bite out of a crime. And this is how it came in a, yeah. So they taped it up in a little envelope, like so. The envelope didn't fare as where, yeah. So let's see what it says. Oh, the envelope, the thing says, United States Post Office Service, we care. Dear customer, sincerely regret the damage to your mail
during handling by the Postal Service. We hope this incident did not inconvenience you. We realize your mail is important to you and that you have every right to expect it to be delivered in good condition. Although every effort is made to prevent damages to the mail, occasionally this will occur because of lack of maintenance on the machines. Because to prevent damage in mail, occasionally we have occurs because of the great volume handling and the rapid procedure methods which must be employed to ensure the most expeditionary possibility. We hope you understand. We assure you that we are striving to improve the process methods in order that you have rare occasion maybe whatever. Please accept these apologies. Sincerely, your postmaster. It's hard to read it because it's all thing and I don't know who it's from. What?
It's what they do, drop it and yeah, I don't know who it's from. Drop it and put it in the machine, rip this part out here and try to tape it back up. So here's what was in it. Still opening it. Oh. Well, theSMYRNAcowboy. That's theSMYRNAcowboy to you. Hey guys, I thought I would blank. This is how I'm gonna have to read it. You see? They took a bite out of it. Hey guys, I thought I would use these wing boat spider. Oh well. But do you want wing boats spider a lot? Those Allen CSD battery. Take care, David. Well, David, don't mail it in an envelope like this. Or it gets eaten. They just, yeah. Oh well. I know what he's talking about. The you got to have a Allen head or torch or something to get the battery cover off to get to the battery of the spider. So yeah, he was sending me something. Best thing to do is put it in a good package or a box or something. Even the small box, you know. This is from Mr. McStache. Took him it ain't cause of the mail. It's cause he's just slow. I know what's in it. Took him 3 years to get me this. It says Mr. McStache. Yeah, we got many of those. We got the Mr. McStache dirt bag. Woo! I'm going to have to make my own dirt bagger. Took them 3 years to get me that. We got a Mr. McStache code. You can scan it if you wanted to. I don't know how that works. Halloween Museum.
Salem, Mass. Guess you want to stay up see ghosts. Oh. Yep, that's what you got. Can you see me? Oh. Alright. No more than that one. Alright. Well, at least I got one dirt bag sticker. Alright. We'll stick it on Lucille. Because she's the dirt bag bagger. Whew. I tell you, it was hot in here. I'm dicking around. Ain't been much dicking around to it. Too hot. Alright. We'll skip to it. I got it. Where can I put this? Don't I hang it on the wall? I'll put it in here. Come over here where you can see. Come over here where you can see. Can you see?
Audio. Hello, 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 hello. Yep. Can you see? Might want to put it where you can see it. I'll put it right. Right about there. Like. We'll put it right there. Well, alright. Well, that concludes this episode of Hot as Heck in this building. Oh, I guess we could. Is that a sticker?
I guess we hang these stickers up. Roll the corners. Makes it easier. I'll stick that one right about there. Right under Larry's HD. And Mr. McStache.
Alright. We out. I'll go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. And if you want to send me something, link speak, I'm going to put, yeah, right here. Yeah, send me something.